Okay guys, so I got a new fit, but today we are showing you how to make an airplane. Let's go. So first, you are going to need you're going to need a cardboard box and, hold on.
It's Sunday mornings before noon.
And four,
You have to wait till next week.
so let me grab this cardboard box if it will let me. Okay. And so let's put it right there. So we're going to put our first goop right there. Our second goop right there. Our third goop right there. And our fourth goop right there. And then we're going to need a very special item. We're going to need 4 box fans. Let me just grab it so it doesn't despawn. And then attach it to the goop. Grab the freaking mega flashlight, bro. Okay. And now we swerve in a corner hole. Swerve in a corner hole. This is a new flotation device. And if you didn't know, the lady is now mine. So that's a new threat to watch out. The only problem I don't like about this is it's heavy. Let's fly backwards today. Well, but yeah, that's, well, really it. So, see ya.